and welcome. Are you interested in the hydrophobisation of facades and walls? Protecting facades and structures against moisture and driving rain protects valuable building fabric and prevents water stains and green coating. This prevents moisture damage to the plaster and keeps the surface looking attractive and beautiful for a long time. Please think of the impregnation of facades like the impregnation of your boots before you go for a walk in the rain. Wet feet are not only unpleasant, but the shoes are also break. It is similar with a facade, but unfortunately much more expensive. That's why we protect the building fabric with impregnation. Hydroblock SE does not form films and does not hinder the diffusion of the water vapor. The application of two liquid products is super easy by spraying on without pressure or flooding. It is important to always start at the bottom and to work your way up to prevent streaks. The impregnation has the following advantages. By reducing the water absorption, first, the thermal conductivity is reduced, heat loss decreases and energy is saved. Second, pollutants dissolved in rainwater no longer penetrate into the building material and thus do not damage the structure. Third, efflorescence caused by water-soluble salts is prevented. Fourth, fouling by algae, moss, green coating is prevented. And here are the products. Hydroblock SE742 is a solvent-free water repellent for masonry and plaster. Hydroblock SE741 is perfectly for young and fresh concrete. And the cream Hydroblock SE740 is extra easy application. If this convinces you, use Hydroblock SE for your waterproofing in the future. My team and I look forward meeting up with you. My name is Michaela Müller-Kaja.